We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
Hey everyone, it's time for a Hakka lesson on ICRT.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Pong。
大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And the month of November for North Americans, whether it be Canada or the US of A, it's Thanksgiving month. Today I want to talk more about Thanksgiving and some of the terms that are related to Thanksgiving, and perhaps people can say it and discuss it in Hakka. 所以呢，我们就先从感恩节来讲好了。其实感恩节客家人有在过吗？
冇呢，
应该没有，比较新一代的年轻人或许啦，这样子哈。
係啊。
So yeah, the Hakka do not celebrate Thanksgiving, of course, but let's go ahead and learn it in Hakka. 感恩节。
感恩节。
感恩节 ，OK, gum 听起来像口香糖 ，gum 哦是 gum 恩节 ，OK, that's Thanksgiving. During Thanksgiving, 这你应该也知道，虽然不过感恩节，但是感恩节一定要有火鸡。哎，学得好像。That is Alice's impersonation of a turkey. 其实我们有时候会开玩笑说，这个感恩节呢，大家都感恩，唯一不感恩的就是火鸡，所以应该对，很惨。好，烤火鸡怎么说啦？
批火雞
啊，下面批怎么要批？要批什么东西吗？
批就是烤。
哦，批 is bake. Okay, so 烤火鸡 a baked turkey is
批火雞。
批火雞 Okay, also another thing that is common is the pumpkin pie. 其实很多人喜欢吃南瓜派。那南瓜派怎么说？
飯瓜派。
这是什么东西？
飯瓜。
反瓜。
南瓜。
哦，
飯瓜。
Oh, got it. Okay, 反瓜
派。
Pie. Okay, that's a pumpkin pie. And of course, there's also cranberry sauce. 其实很多时候我们会有果酱，那个叫蔓越莓嘛，哈，那个果酱怎么说？
果醬。
什么果醬？什么物件派去啊？无物件派去，你果醬。What? It sounds like something is broken. 什么？
果醬就是果醬啊。
那故障怎么说？
故障就壞咗咯。
壞咗了，就壞掉了，好吧？果醬。
果醬。
That's a jam or a sauce. Okay, so there you go. Those are some of the items you would encounter during Thanksgiving. And a little note right here. For America, Thanksgiving is on the fourth Thursday of November, while the Canadians celebrate it on the second Monday. So if you're talking to a Canadian, don't make that mistake, okay? That does it for our Hakka lesson of the day.
什麼大家？
俺只say張來了。
客家风情由行政院客家委員會監製，邀您一起體驗另一種不同的客家文化之美。
We love Hakka has been brought to you by the Council for Hakka Affairs of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.